Hello. In this movie, I'm going to show how to recreate a three-dimensional head from a two-dimensional face. I'm using one of the creations of a certain enthusiast from Mage Space. So I'm going to be using this unguided volumetric regression neural network, which allows the 3D face recognition. And so here I have just taken that image, so I'm going to evaluate it. I'm going to make, so let me do the image original here, evaluate in place, and I'm going to crop in order to get the face itself. So, so I'm going to kind of approximately take a square. That's not that important, but well, actually it is important. All right, so here I'm evaluating the face. I have it as an object. So here the reconstruction happens. This is the head, which has been obtained. More or less, I'm slicing this face and I'm producing certain elements. Let me show here. And I'm going to be using these images in order to, these slices, to color the three-dimensional object. And so this is what we get, yeah. And so maybe I kind of made the nose too protruding, so I'm going to change this to say something like this. Maybe this is a little bit better, and I'm going to comment out here this element, and let's see. Maybe this is someone will like better. All right, that was it. Thank you.